And our live team coverage moves now to South Hollywood Beach.
Yeah, that's exactly where we find CBS 4's Trish Christakis with the conditions there and what you can do if you're concerned about flooding. Trish, good morning.
Hey, you guys. Yeah, good morning. Now, the rain here is kind of going in and out. Just about 5 minutes ago, it downpoured for about 30 seconds, and now it's nice and dry, thankfully, for us. But you can hear the winds kind of coming up, and you can feel the storm brewing in the area. Like Terry mentioned over in Deerfield Beach, there are some people who are working out early this morning here in the area that have been going by to get their runs in last minute. But there is a concern for flooding in this area. So if you live in the Pembroke Pines area, this is where you can find your sandbags this afternoon. That's happening from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So if you have work today, you'll want to make some time to come pick these up. That's happening at William B. Armstrong and Spring Valley Park. Now, it is important to note that residents are required to fill their own bags, so you can't just come up, pick 5 and go. The city will supply the sandbags, the bags, and the shovels. Now, again, like I just said, it's a 5-limit bag per household, and you will have to show your ID to pick those up. If you're in North Miami Beach, you can go to the Fleet Maintenance Building. That starts at 7 a.m. and it only goes till noon. You only get 4 bags per household here, and you'll need your ID as well. And if you're in North Bay Village, sandbags will be distributed today between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. That location on your screen, 1841 Galleon Street. This is all while supplies last. Now, driving in this morning, the streets were pretty slick, and there were parts that were already seeing some flooding on those low points. So if you live in an area that is prone to flooding, you will want to go and pick up those sandbags, as it's expecting to bring in a lot of rain, as we can hear it kind of coming off the beach. It's too dark to see right now, but hopefully later in the morning we can give you a better look at kind of what's going on. For now, though, we're live in Hollywood Beach. I'm Trish Christakis, CBS 4 This Morning.